If you want to have more complicated for referencing, which includes the bookmark too, I could click on cross-reference. I click on that. We have reference type and insert reference to. Allow me first click somewhere, let's say maybe very beginning here. Okay, I type C space and click on cross-reference. You don't need even type any text to select it. I click on cross-reference. Which reference? You could reference to numbered item. You see, very powerful. Heading, bookmark, footnote, endnote, equations. Even more such as figure, table. I want to say this time something like heading. And insert reference to the heading text, page number, heading number, and more like above, below text. I say maybe heading text, exact same. And you could insert as a hyperlink. It is fine. I choose again title 06 and insert. Close that. As you see, let's get the content from this title. And unlike the regular hyperlink, there is no blue color or underlined. But if I hold on the Control or Command and click there, it will jump exactly here. So I could click here and go to cross-reference. This time, let's say something different. Maybe there is no numbered or something else, but I have bookmark, so I click on that. Bookmark text. I have only one bookmark. Or instead of that, I could say the page number. Includes above, below. Yes, it is actually smart. And insert. Why it is below? Because, allow me to click, it is below of that. Let's do that same but here. Cross-reference. Again, bookmark this and above, below. Insert. Now you see we have above because my bookmark is above of this text. And it is actually smart. If I cut this paragraph, Control or Command X, and let's say put it here, it is above, but I could right click on that and update field. Now it is updated. Based on that, it is below. You could right click and edit the field. You could toggle field code, which I will mention about codes later on, which it is very interesting. Allow me to undo that. And of course, as I mentioned before, update manually.